Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Sienna. This is a 7-passenger minivan in gray, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes power sliding doors, roof rails, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once we're at the driver's side and take a look in the front first. Right up top, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors with some storage on the bottom of the door. Take a look inside the Sienna. You can see it comes equipped with gray fabric seating. On the bottom, you have all-weather mats and your power seating adjustment buttons. We have our key here. We're going to start the Sienna up. Starting with the steering wheel features first, on the left side, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you have your Toyota Safety Sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You also have these arrows up top, which allow you to cycle through your multi-information display. On the bottom, you can see in the odometer, this Sienna has 1,492 kilometers on it. Moving on to our screen here, right now we're on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing. It also display any device that's connected, and you also have your trip information. So if we press that here, you can also look at your history. If we go into audio, you can see every sound in AM and FM. You also have choices between CD, USB, and like I mentioned, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. Going into reverse, that'll bring up that backup camera for you. Underneath that is the climate control. It is a tri-zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted for you and your passengers, and you also have this dial on the bottom for the passengers in the back there. Underneath here, we have some storage and cup holders. If we take a closer look, you can slide this piece out, you get some extra cup holders. You have your 12-volt outlet, USB and auxiliary. You also have your driver and passenger heated seats. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we're going to hold that left button on our key fob for that left door to open up. Now we sneak inside here, you can see we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the gray fabric seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. These rear seats do also fold down. There's a little handle here. If we pull this upwards, the seats will fold. We can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Now to access the cargo of the Sienna, there's a little button hidden underneath here. If we give that a press, that lift gate will open up nice and easy. You can see even with the third row seats up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back here. You do also have an extra seat that goes right in between the two in the center there, allowing up to 8 passengers. The rear seats do also fold down. There's a little handle here. You can just pull that forward. The seats will fold flat, giving you plenty of storage space in the back. And like I mentioned, the second row seats do fold down as well. That will always give you that extra bit of room. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, tri-zone climate control, Bluetooth capabilities, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come down and take it for a test drive. We're located here Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.